Ready to unlock a world of benefits with a NatWest credit card? Let's get you signed up in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official NatWest website. Navigate to their credit card section here. You'll find all their current offerings. Take a moment to browse. NatWest offers various credit cards, each with its own perks. You might find options for balance transfers, rewards points, or low interest rates. Consider which one best fits your spending habits and financial goals. Before you begin the application, gather some essential information. This typically includes proof of identity, like your passport or driver's license, and proof of your address, such as a recent utility bill. You'll also need details about your income, including your employer's name and your annual income. Having this ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's start the application. You'll need to fill in your personal details accurately. This includes your full name, date of birth, and current address. Next, you'll detail your employment status and income. Be honest and precise with this information, as it helps NatWest assess your application. You'll then be presented with the terms and conditions of the card you've chosen. It's crucial to read through these carefully. Pay attention to details like the annual percentage rate APR, any annual fees, and the credit limit. Understanding these terms will prevent any surprises down the line. Once you've reviewed everything and are happy, you'll submit your application. NatWest will then review your details. You'll typically receive an instant decision or be notified within a few days. If approved, congratulations, your new NatWest credit card will be sent to you in the post. Simply activate it as per the instructions provided, and you're ready to start enjoying its benefits. That's how easy it is to apply for a NatWest credit card. Happy spending!